The pygmies of Central Africa are still elephant hunters. The extraordinary complexity of their yodeling shows how important music is even to a hunter-gatherer society. It's not unlike the way we all lived a few thousand years ago. Here women sing in a five-voice polyphony, using canons and fugues as complex as those of any bewigged European art music composer. Unusually, women are regarded as the more suitable musicians in this society. Quite apart from its function of bonding the community, this vocal calling or singing is their communication with the forest. And the forest, in sending back an echo, puts them in touch with the spirit world.